Okay, let's get right into it. If you're a small business owner, you know the grind. I mean, you are on the front lines every single day. But what if the biggest threat to your success, to your entire mission, isn't your competition, but the chaos brewing inside your own headquarters? Today, we're breaking down your battle plan for freedom. I want you to let that sink in for a second. Every single lead you paid for, every person who raised their hand and said, "I'm interested," if you're not on it in 5 minutes, you might as well just be handing cash directly to the other guy. That is the battlefield. That's the reality.
All right, here's your intel brief. The enemy, well, it's not always on the outside. There's a saboteur right there in your own HQ, a villain that's just quietly draining your resources, your energy, and your revenue. It is time to identify this target.
And this, right here, puts you in the right role. You are the hero of your own story. But that shadowy figure looming behind you, let's call it the villain of operational chaos. It's the force that keeps you chained to your desk, making you miss out on everything that actually matters. So what's this enemy's game plan? Well, it attacks on all fronts. We're talking endless hours that just lead to total burnout. We're talking lead chaos that creates missed opportunity after missed opportunity. And of course, the crushing stress of having to wear every single hat in your company. It's why you're up at 3 a.m. just staring at the ceiling, wondering if you can even do this. And make no mistake, letting this villain run wild in your business isn't just annoying. It's a direct threat to your mission's survival. Doing nothing isn't a safe bet. It's a decision to let the enemy win. If you don't launch a counterattack, this is what happens. You burn out. You just keep pouring your most valuable resource, your own energy, into manual tasks, constantly putting out fires instead of actually building your future. You'll keep spending good money on advertising, only to watch those leads go right to the competition who just had a better system, who followed up faster. Every lead you lose, that's a win for them. And at the end of the day, you'll just stay stuck, trapped in a cycle of chaos, stress, and lost money. It's this nonstop loop where hot prospects turn cold and your sales pipeline becomes a graveyard of what-ifs. But this is where the story changes, because every hero needs a guide. And you don't need another complicated piece of software that promises you the world. What you need is a simple, effective counterattack. And this is where that guide comes from. Patriot Business Systems was founded by a Marine veteran, someone who managed over $200 million in military contracts. So this isn't some abstract theory. This is battle-tested discipline and precision, now pointed directly at the chaos of small business. So what does this counterattack actually look like? Well, it's not some 100-page manual. It's a simple 3-step battle plan designed for one single mission, to help you win back your time and your freedom. Here are your mission orders, nice and simple. Step 1, choose the plan that fits your objective. Step 2, we build your command center for you. I'm talking a full white glove setup of all your automations, which leaves you with Step 3, executing the mission. You only spend about 60 minutes a day talking to people who are already warmed up and ready to go. And you're not going into this fight empty-handed. Your automated arsenal is working for you around the clock. Just imagine a 24/7 AI qualifying leads while you're asleep, an automated scheduler dropping appointments right on your calendar, and smart follow-up that never, ever lets a prospect go cold. You get a crystal clear view of your entire operation. This is your command center. Now, let's talk about the whole point of this. What does victory actually look like? Because this isn't just about getting more organized. It's about fundamentally changing how you run your business and, live your life. I mean, this slide says it all, doesn't it? You go from the hero who's struggling against that villain of chaos to the hero who has already won. You're not trapped working in your business anymore. You're finally free to work on it. You can spend time with your family and enjoy the very freedom you fought so hard for. And look, this isn't some made-up story. This is a real report from the field. Stinson Bland, a real estate investor, saw a 6-figure return just from deals that his old way of doing things would have completely missed. That's what a winning strategy does. Let's put a really fine point on that. $119,000. That was the value of a single deal the system pulled out of his stale leads pile. I mean, what could just one revived deal do for your business this year? At the end of the day, the spoils of this victory are exactly what you've been fighting for. It's the freedom to actually be done by 5 p.m. It's the extra revenue from deals you're not missing anymore. And it's the peace of mind, just knowing that your follow-up is always being handled with absolute precision. Okay, the intel's been gathered, The battle plan is clear. The enemy's weaknesses are exposed. Now, it's time to stop reacting and start commanding. It is time to deploy your counterattack. So the final question is pretty simple. Are you ready to stop funding your competition's growth and start building your own empire? Are you ready to have a system that works for you 24/7, turning leads into actual appointments while you sleep?
Your mission, should you choose to accept it, starts right now. It's time to take command of your business, your time, and your freedom. Deploy your free trial and get the battle-tested system that your business truly deserves.